Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing 1 cup of rice until the water runs clear to remove surface debris and loose starch. Once rinsed, soak the rice in 2 cups of warm water for 4-6 hours or overnight. This softens grains and releases soluble starch needed for gelation. Next, drain and reserve the soaking water, then add the rice plus 1 cup fresh water to a blender. Blend on high until completely smooth. This wet slurry is the base for your rice gel. You pour the blended slurry into a saucepan and add the reserved soaking water as needed to reach desired consistency. Once on medium heat, stir constantly to prevent sticking and to evenly raise temperature towards 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, where rice starches swell and thicken. Use a whisk to break up any forming lumps. Once the mixture starts to turn translucent and noticeably thick, reduce heat and simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes. This controlled cooking develops viscosity and smooth texture. You cool the cooked rice gel to room temperature, stirring occasionally for uniform texture, then transfer it to an airtight container and refrigerate. It keeps up to 7 days. When using, reheat gently over low heat and whisk briskly. Make sure to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water if the gel has become too stiff. If the gel is grainy, blend briefly or pass through a fine sieve. If it's too thin, return to low heat and simmer longer to concentrate the starch network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.